I finally got out of the bath. Got my bath taken finally. It's 1:30. I was trying since 9:30. I'm an absolute torturous hell. I feel like, as you can see about all the redness, there's like, it feels like liquid fire under my skin. It's horrible. It's so horrible. I can't even begin to think about the three, 4 bills I gotta worry about. I don't know what to do, where to turn at this point. I'm just back exactly where I was when my family called the cops on me for being sick. They won't help me. I've not been able to receive a cent of help from anyone. And not like that's what I want. Not like I want to be asking this. It's the last thing in the world I want. All I'm trying to do is hold on to my life. I'm stuck in a town. The family is pretty much toxic for me. I get sicker. They won't help at all.